Hello.
Hello.
What was that extra?
Okay. Hello. Now we are going to Chombo. It takes about 40 minutes. Now we are at Jalan Green Road, Jalan Nanas, together with Bibi here. Yeah, beautiful baby. It's a very cloudy day, not a lot of cars here. Thursday.
Green light.
Green light, okay, green light. It was 3 o'clock.
Where you go?
Go toilet. Go to toilet. Hello, hello.
We reached already.
We reached already. Woohoo!
Let's go, let's go.
You mean how we go? How we go?
No.
No.
No, now. No!
We will. The country will cover us.
No. Babe.
You'll cover us.
No!
Trust me.
Babe.
The auntie gong gong. Okay. Eh, no need pay.
Don't need to pay. So it's better to drive inside here or if you come here.
Yeah, let's drive.
The beach.
Why you sway?
Beach.
You pay yourself 5 ringgit.
Here need to pay entrance fee. If not mistaken, it's one person 5 last time, but now I don't know because I saw someone say the price went up. Oh, so it's still 5. How much?
5 ringgit per person.
Okay, so it's still the same. So here you can just drive in the beach. 是海边。哇！His initial plan was to, like, we just sit on the floor, but I'm not sitting on the floor in this kind of weather.
I mean, can sit here lah.
It's Scotland.
You got a fan ma?
Later.
Then there's a mic. You can talk. Give a little introduction about yourself.
I'm nothing to say.
What you do for a living? 你现在是做什么工？
在家里啃老。
啃老。会赚钱吗？
有。
有哈。是做什么嘞？
卖吃的。
卖吃的哦，OK， 然后这怎样？不要跟我讲。那这样的话，看。好，why not？有多好。
Yeah, still pretty lah.
Yeah.
Nice. About 4. Sunset is
6 hours.
so late lah. 6:44.
This happy now.
Sorry. 6:50.
Wow, so late eh?
Breakfast. 拍照。
我们看过了世间的罗生门，变得好像陌生人。这颗同样不安的心，早被塞进了同一个摩天轮。
一直走，一直梦，一直疯，一直没停留。那些美好的越靠近，越沉溺，越来越不想放手。Wherever you go。
belum. Okay, aku buat dah. Then I need to put some more and then put inside out.
It's raining, it's raining.
Wait, I just put on it.
It's raining, it's raining. I don't think we can be. We go home, use paint do.
Okay, juga.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, say your story.
Idea was simple but perfect. Okay. Picnic date. The cloth on the beach sand. Your champagne, you know. Okay, and a little salad here. What else do we have?
Oreo.
Oreo. A bit of snacks lah. And then it rains.
We're at the moment when he wants to do his art canvas.
We never fail.
And it's raining quite big now. Well, it's not always like you didn't get to see rain in the beach.
So sad. But there's still a lot of people at the water there playing. Don't be like them, okay? Don't get sick. Be like us. We wanna enjoy the beach, but because you always get sick very easily, so cannot.
Like you're not.
No, I'm a healthy man.
Well, if any updates, we will take another video.
Bye bye.
I feel like this will be the ending already. So, see where we'll have the next video.
No listen to her. Later show a rainbow, show a sunshine one. We'll come back in like 20 minutes one.
Bye bye.
Confirm one.
See you next time.
You believe?
Bye bye.
No, bye bye. Take me on here.